What's up, Faye? Back again with another video, and today I'm gonna be bringing y'all this loose water wave hair. Yes, y'all, this is my first time trying water wave hair and your girl is loving it. So if you want to know the tea on this hair, how I installed it, where I got it from, how I achieved its curls, then definitely stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm done with my hair and I'm so sorry, but my camera died, so I had to just continue the rest of the hair like that. But I'm gonna show you guys what I did for my hair, or like the products that I used. For flat ironing, I already showed you guys, but I'm gonna show again. I used these two products right here to flat iron, and then to get the curls the way that they are, I used like a whole bunch of things. I used this new, what is it, like a mousse spray. I just got this yesterday from Walmart, but y'all, I really like the way it is and like the way it has my curls popping, like period. This is almost done, but I also used a little bit of this. I feel like this is so hard by itself that I have to go in with like something else, like water or like a little mousse or something. So that's why I went in with this, and I did go in with a little water as well. And I did my edges. Y'all, I'm not a pro doing my edges, but I just do what I can do, honestly. I do my best. But my edges, I use the yellow got to be and a little bit of mousse, just, you know, form it or whatever. So yeah, this is how it's looking, guys. I really love this look. So the details on this hair, y'all, let's talk about it. So I got these bundles from Aliexpress, specifically the store named Aligrace. I think it's Aligrace, but if I'm saying the wrong store, I'm gonna put the correct store on the screen. And shipping wasn't too bad. Shipping was really quick. It came in like a week actually, so thumbs up for that. But I'm not gonna lie, y'all, like when the bundles came, like, I mean, the bundles were thick and whatnot, but you know when you're just seeing like little flyaways and the bundles in different colors of red, I was seeing that throughout the bundles and I'm confused, like, no, this is not what I ordered. But honestly, like, it was too late, and at that point, like, I've just bought hair so many times and had to like return hair to these AliExpress vendors that I was just like, honestly, like I'll just take it. But besides that, the hair was really soft. As for the lace is, oh my god guys, let me tell you about this lace. This lace did not want to bleach for anything, and even apart from bleaching, even when I went ahead to pluck it, y'all, I was plucking my life away trying to pluck this hair, and I just got tired because I have somewhere I gotta be. I can't be here plucking wig for 2 hours. But nah, the hairline when it came, y'all, it was not natural at all. And honestly, like, I can understand having to pluck a little, but y'all just gonna let me do all the work? Why? Like, at least do some work. Like, you know, have the wig come semi-plucked or something. But yeah, I didn't like that. For bleaching the knots, I actually bleached it like a little longer because I just felt like the knots weren't bleaching for some reason. And even when I like took a closer look at the lace, y'all, I could see that some of the knots were like double knotted. So it's definitely not the best lace per se, and honestly not even the best frontal per se, because this frontal came looking hella bulky, like there was no natural hairline. But besides that, like, the hair is really soft, so I like that. Girl, let me tell you about shedding, because this wig sheds, like, okay, it sheds. So when I plucked like this is not even all the hair that I plucked, honestly, because I know it was like so much more, and I don't even know which ones are like the hair that's coming out from me plucking versus the hair that's coming out from me shedding. It's just like, yeah. But I mean, I think that's like pretty much it. It is very like nice and soft, and I think it's taking all the product well, so I'm really liking that. But yeah.
Hey y'all, so I just wanted to quickly pause and give y'all an update on how this wig is holding up and how the hair is doing. Guys, I'm actually starting to like this hair a lot more. I feel like this hair is the perfect low maintenance hair for if you just want something quick and easy, something that you can just quickly refresh in the morning and go. This hair is really she's the one for that, okay girls. And also, I know I did say like this hair was shedding at first, and it did shed a lot, but I feel like that's probably because of all the plucking that I was doing, and maybe for me cutting the bundles too as I was sewing it in. I've had this wig now, or this hair, for a few weeks, and guys, it's actually not shedding like crazy. Matter of fact, it barely sheds, and that's just because like I don't even comb it a lot or run my hands through it. So I really like how it's holding up. Yeah, I think that's pretty much all that I wanted to say. Guys, links will be in the description box, of course, so check it out if you want to know more details about this hair, or if you want to get it yourself. Okay, so now we're gonna go back to this video and round up.
Guys, that brings me to the end of this review. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Are y'all rocking with this hair? Would you get it? What do y'all think? Did I do my thing? Let me know. And yeah, you guys already know the drill. Subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed it, and turn on post notifications, all that good stuff. And I will see y'all in my next video.